Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Who doesn't love a good mozzarella stick? That perfect, crispy golden coating with warm, gooey cheese stretching out when you take a bite, it's just so satisfying. They are a classic snack, appetizer, or even a fun side for dinner. Today, we're going to make cooking them at home super simple, so you can enjoy this cheesy goodness whenever you like. First things first, we need to get our cooking appliance ready. If you're using an oven, preheat it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. For an air fryer, set it to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure your baking sheet or air fryer basket is clean and ready. A little prep makes for a smooth cooking process. For oven baking, arrange your frozen mozzarella sticks in a single layer on a baking sheet. Give them a little space so they can crisp up nicely. Pop them into your preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Remember to flip them over halfway through so both sides get beautifully golden brown and crispy. If you prefer the convenience and extra crisp of an air fryer, simply place your frozen mozzarella sticks in a single layer in the basket. Don't overcrowd it. You might need to cook them in batches. Air fry them at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 8 minutes, shaking the basket gently after about 4 minutes. They come out incredibly crispy. Once your mozzarella sticks are perfectly golden and gooey, carefully take them out. They will be very hot, so let them cool for just a minute or two before diving in. Serve them up with classic marinara sauce, ranch, or whatever dip you love. Enjoy that satisfying crunch and stretch of warm, delicious cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.